A new era has begun for public transport in Budapest. The BKK time-based ticket is now available, which will make your journey easier. Time-based tickets can only be purchased digitally on the BudapestGO app. To use the time-based ticket, register and log into the app. You can find the 30 and 90-minute tickets in the My Tickets section of the app under Occasional Tickets. Choose the ticket type that suits your destination. Before paying, enter your billing details and tick the Save Bank Card function so that the next time you make a purchase, you can quickly select it with just a few clicks. After successful purchase, you must validate the ticket by scanning the code before travelling. If you're transferring to another vehicle, use the Transfer button to rescan the validation code. You can finish a journey you've already started after the 30th or 90th minute within the administrative boundaries of Budapest up to your final destination.